Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, let's unlock the secrets to perfectly cooked matta rice right in your rice cooker. This distinctive red parboiled rice, also known as Rosematta, is a true gem from Kerala, India. It brings a unique, earthy flavor and a beautiful reddish color to your plate. If you love a hearty, textured rice that stands up well to rich curries, matta rice is definitely for you. First things first, let's get that rice sparkling clean. Measure out the amount you want to cook, then place it in a large bowl. Now, under cool running water, really get in there and wash it. Swirl it around, drain the cloudy water, and repeat this process. You'll want to do this several times until the water finally runs clear. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect, non-sticky texture. Now for the secret ingredient, thyme. Soaking matta rice is absolutely key to its texture and digestibility. Once your rice is clean, cover it generously with fresh water. Let it soak for a minimum of 30 minutes, but honestly, an hour or even 2 will give you the best outcome. This softens the grain and ensures it cooks beautifully and evenly in the rice cooker. Don't skip this step. All right, it's time to cook. After soaking, drain the rice thoroughly. For every 1 cup of matta rice, you'll want to add about 3 cups of fresh water to your rice cooker. This higher water ratio is important for this specific type of rice. You can also add a small pinch of salt at this point, if you like. Close the lid, then simply select the white rice or standard cook setting on your appliance. Your rice cooker has done its job, but don't rush. When the cooking cycle finishes, leave the lid closed and let the rice rest for another 10 to 15 minutes on the warm setting. This allows the steam to redistribute and the grains to firm up perfectly. After resting, open the lid and gently fluff the rice with a fork. It will be perfectly tender, ready to enjoy with your delicious curries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.